Yes, finally it is payday. Today I will have enough money saved up to buy that used car I have had my eye on. Are there any issues I should know about?
This thing is in mint condition. It was my daily driver up until last week.
Attention everyone, I would like to introduce you to our newest Wagie. Her name is Alex and she is going to show you all a thing or two back here in the warehouse. I bet she can lift way more than you can, Wojak. I have already gave her the tour. She will be running the forklift, so stay out of her way.
Hey, nice wheels.
What?
Your car. Nice wheels.
How do you know about my car?
I saw you get off the bus this morning.
Well, I have a car, it just needs repairs, so I rode the bus this morning.
Aren't you a man? Fix it.
I will fix it, I just haven't had time to look at it yet.
Let me know if you want me to fix it. My dad is a mechanic. I have been working on cars since I was in a diaper.
I will fix it myself. Can you believe the chick? She was here 3 minutes this morning, then started harassing me about riding the bus to work.
I'll leave her alone, brother, she is actually pretty cool. She recommended me a new altcoin in the break room and I have already made 50% return on it in a few hours. You really should fix that car though.
I am off work tomorrow, I was already planning to fix it then.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you one of the most common problems anybody who owns a car will face, and that's when you go to start your car. It just won't start. Now I think you could hear that my battery definitely sounds low. I'm going to do it one more time. I want you to listen.
Ah, yes, mine sounds just like that. Must be a bad battery. Maybe it is too weak to be able to fire the spark plugs. The battery looks easy enough to replace myself. I will need a battery for my 95 Civic, please.
Now, out of those 5 things that we talked about, the first thing I like to check is the fuel system. We want to make sure that fuel is getting into the engine. When I hear that a car just dies out of nowhere, I think right away that the fuel pump could have gone bad.
I am so dumb. It must be my fuel pump. The car did die out of nowhere. Yes, I need a fuel pump for my 95 Civic. It has to be the spark plugs.
What is up, bro? Looks like you are having some car trouble.
What are you doing here?
I saw you walking from the auto parts store. I stopped in there to get some oil for my Z. The old man at the counter said some idiot has been in and out all day throwing parts at their car. I figure it must have been you. I will help you fix it, bro.
Go. Get out of here. Leave me alone.
Just chill. Working on cars is supposed to be relaxing. Let me have a look.
Fine, have a look. I have tried everything.
Okay, battery is 12.7 volts. Spark plugs have good spark. No restrictions in the air intake. Sounds like compression is good too. Ah, here we go, no fuel pressure. You did just replace the fuel pump, but the fuel filter is clogged, causing no fuel pressure. I have one in my car, they are like $8, so I keep a spare. These things are universal fit.
Are you kidding me? An $8 fuel filter. That's what caused me all these problems?
Not a bad ride though, brother. These old Civics are bulletproof as long as you maintain them. Lots of guys mod them too.
I guess I should thank you for your help.
Do not mention it. If you ever need a hand, just let me know. See you at work tomorrow, bro.